Print in black and white in macOS for HP printers. Need to print in black and white from your Mac? We'll show you how in just a couple of minutes, so you can start printing the way you want. On your Mac, open the item you want to print. Select File, then select Print. Select your printer. Then either turn off Print in color or enable black and white. To improve print quality, many printers mix black and color inks when printing black and white. If you want to use less ink, select Media and Quality, then select Draft for the quality setting. If you frequently print in black and white, you can select the Presets menu. Then select Black and White. If you want to print using black ink only, this option is available for photos and PDF documents using the HP app on your Mac.